Hi, this is Exploring with Em and Stu.
I'm Em.
And I'm Stu.
And today we are going to be exploring what we believe are some World War II air raid shelters here on the Suffolk coast.
That's it. And do you remember last week when, or the week before, when we did the battery, we said we were going to look for the air raid shelters? Come on, we found them.
Poor old Stu in his shorts has got stung,
I know,
stung to death, but we have found them.
We found them, so this will be another video, but we're going to be going down these air raid shelters.
So we're going to go down these holes and we're going to see what we can see down there.
That's it. From what we can gather, they're pretty clear, but we don't actually know. I mean, they're not massive, are they, down there?
They are.
Are they big?
Yeah, but if we show everything, you'll probably be bored.
Yeah, so we'll just show what we can. Probably a 5-10 minute video on this.
We'll see.
We'll see.
All right then.
All right then.
Right,
see you down there.
When we get down there.
Right, okay, Emma's going down first.
This is actually a proper entrance.
It's a real entrance,
not
yeah.
Not just a hatchway like the last one was.
Exactly. Right, so she's gonna...
Right, so we've got two tunnels. It looks actually like this has probably been a collapse rather than an entrance. So I think we'll go this way first.
Okay.
Just because it's harder for Stu.
Great. See you in a sec. Right, okay, got down there, no smoking. Can't smoke down here. So
these are basically air raid shelters for the military training school, we believe, which was used until the 70s, wasn't it?
All right, there's another entranceway just there. I see that now. I see what you're talking about. As you know, we've come down here before. Not this one.
No, this is different.
This was a different one. I mean, I hope you can see the light through here because it is pitch black.
Yes.
There's some stuff down here. Look.
Yeah, it's not a barrel.
Some corrugated iron.
They've got numbers on the walls and they count down, so that means that there's 10 sections. Bit, and there was also about the same. I think there was 8 sections. On the
well, that's quite worrying there. It looks like it's about to, look, supports come down. Okay. Right. Well, if you look at the supports, they're done in sections.
Yeah.
So we don't want them falling in.
Not really.
Looks like 11.
All right. Oh, so it goes up. So yeah, that was probably a collapse with where we came in.
Right, okay. Bloody hell. Again, wish you could smell down here.
Yeah, it's like proper foisty, gory.
I'll borrow your torch. Can't actually. Do you know what? I've got a problem. I've got my sunglasses on.
Oh, you.
I don't know. I don't want to.
Looks wood.
Is it wood?
Yeah, it's like an old door. Or it could be. Oh, actually, it might even be metal. It's so old. Right, so we've got an entrance here.
An entrance where it's been blocked up.
Yeah.
No smoking again. Don't smoke. Can't smoke.
You might have seen them, didn't they? They're 4 old sailors, look.
I know. Okay. These tunnels are actually pretty cool.
There's an old shoe. No, it's proper old. It's got the.
That is really old.
Looks too big to be a woman's. Is that size 9? It's not 6, is it? Because I'm a 6. Could be a size 6. Yeah, I'll take it.
Big old feet.
It looks a bit like a woman's. Oh no, that's the front of a boot. I don't know.
I don't know.
I'm not an expert in shoes.
Okay.
I haven't been down this way.
Part of an old barrel. It's getting colder as you go along. These tunnels, I'll be honest with you, you're not going to be seeing a hell of a lot because
It's much the same, isn't it?
of all the way along.
But just to think, this was just buried underneath the ground, like the
Yeah.
nobody has. Most people have no idea these are here.
No.
They were quite hard to find, though.
Yeah, it took us ages to find them.
Wow, is it still going?
It's still going.
Wow.
They are reasonably quite clean.
It looks quite sturdy.
Oh yeah.
It's a shame there's no beds and stuff like in the other one. There was remnants, wasn't there, of beds.
What's all
This
this?
could be the end of it.
Could be. No. Sorry. No, on and on. Looks like another part of the boot.
Wow, could be.
Down here. Oh. Yes, we've got an end entrance just there. There you go.
Okay. Well, that would have been an easier way to have gone. We saw that actually. We'll put it in the video. We saw.
Is that the one we saw?
I reckon that's the one right at the end, isn't it? that we
Right.
saw?
Okay. All right then. Well, we weren't going to film going back, but we'll film going into the next tunnel.
Go together.
All right. See you in a sec. Right. Okay. So we're on the next part now. We've just come up from that slope, so we're going to try and get down this one. Now, how old are these, Emma?
I imagine they were built in the Second World War.
So these ones are Second World
I
War.
believe so. The other ones were, and these are the same. There we go, look.
There we go. Okay.
Again, much the same as the other side.
They are. But the amazing thing is we found them.
We did.
We found
Nobody
these.
helped us.
And no one helped us. We found these out on our own.
I'm sure other people have been, but it was just nice to actually come across them.
Yeah.
How excited we get when we find these things.
Oh yeah, definitely.
Explorers will understand.
Well, these are tunnels, aren't they? They're just amazing. Number 6, yeah, they've gone down, haven't they?
Yeah. Or we literally keep going until you get to number 1.
Oh, we've got a cave in
No,
over
that's
here.
fine. It's because there was an entrance just to the left, right there.
Was there?
Yeah.
Oh, right, okay.
It actually looks a bit like charcoal or something, doesn't it?
Oh yeah, entrance way here, see?
Yeah, it says switch off. Switch what off?
Your phones.
Oh, okay. What, in 1940?
Yeah, I was going to say, you actually believed it then?
No, it couldn't be.
Right. So it's quite amazing really that we actually found these because we weren't really looking for them.
But we've got like an eye for these things, unbelievably now. We must have learned something.
Got cracks in the floors.
Bearing in mind we didn't know anything a couple of years ago, really, did we?
Nah.
And we now know the signs and all the things.
Well, let's let people know. See these here, there would have been wooden floors
Yeah.
running through all this. And then you would have had water gullies for flooding.
Yeah. I'll put a link in for the video we did last time.
Yes.
There was a little bit more to see in those.
Yeah, because they had a little bit more stuff. But considering these ones are more hidden than the other ones, I would have thought they would have had more stuff down here.
I guess it just cleared it out.
Yeah.
Or bucket.
Number 2. Yeah, we've got 2 here.
Instead of actually having like a toilet or something on
Looks
it.
like an old drum or water drum.
Buckets.
Look at the cup.
Oh, look, it's an old enamel.
Yeah.
Oh, it's no good now, look, got all in it. I wonder if it's got any names or anything.
That's pretty impressive. In fact, that's really impressive.
I love this, that you could still use that.
Yeah, we leave things
Do
like
you know it's
that.
got paint in it?
Is it?
Yeah, you can see it all, it's been used for painting. Oh, that must be the original.
So this is number 1. So this would have been the last part. Ah, here we go. We've got the toilet down here. So this would have been.
Is it, or is it an old chair?
Do you know what? I don't know. Actually, it's an old chair, isn't it?
Sometimes they adapted them, didn't they? But this just looks ripped.
So yeah, Emma's looking around someone's probably old
No,
seat maybe.
it's literally just an old chair. But they obviously had chemical toilets in here, which probably would have been, look, in this alcove.
Alcoves, yeah.
Normally that's where they would have been.
Okay, yeah, that's actually crumbling down, that one.
All nice big spiders.
Yeah. All right, well, we'll turn off and we'll get you when we get back out again.
Yep.
Right, so that was the air raid shelters. Air raid shelters.
You can talk properly, honest.
I can, yeah, like my emotion sensors and stuff like that.
Well,
My
we're in-
satellites and Yeah, me mobile phone.
Supposedly educated man.
Yeah, absolutely. But that was really good. It's not a massive video, but we did it because...
Well, we came across it. We didn't even come for this.
No.
Did we?
But we went out looking for it.
We saw a bunch of mounds and went, they look suspiciously like
But
shells.
these are the ones that people have been looking for.
Yeah, they're not quite so easy.
So I don't really want to give the location away with them.
No, unfortunately, you'll have to rummage around in the stinging nettles like we did.
Yeah, look.
He's got himself stunk to bits.
Stunk to pieces.
Normally it's my turn, but I wore my trousers.
Absolutely.
But anyway, well, from here in Suffolk.
Yeah.
We hope you like this little one.
Yeah, and we'll catch you later.
All right. Thanks for watching.
Bye.
Bye.